Got it isolated, what we do an absolute value equation.
Two equations.
Two equations. Okay, what's the first one going to look like? Okay. Good. And the other one, I'll tell you what, will you do me a favor though? Grab it, rope, circle it, cut it, put it down there lower on the other side so we can, yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, and then that way you can write the other one right off the side and everybody can still see it.
Have you
What's
worked
the other
this
one?
before?
Huh?
Have you worked this one?
Huh? What's the other one gonna look like? There you go. Once you have it with, you know, an absolute value set equal to a constant, you split it into two equations. Drop down the value, one of them is equal to the constant, one of them is equal to the opposite of the constant. Now what do? We got two quadratic equations, right? Get them equal to 0. We're going to write these in exact form. If they don't factor, what's going to happen? We're going to have to use that quadratic formula. Fun stuff. Fun stuff.
I think this one only has 2 answers.
Oh no, like I said, I didn't do it.
Grab it.
Can you factor that? Are there two multiples of 7 that add together to make -5?
No.
No. So we're going to have to use the quadratic formula for that one.
Yeah, there's one.
Hmm?
No, there's one. Because the one on that one you're working on now is going to have negative. Nine's complicated.
29?
How'd you get 25?
5 times 5.
5 times
Or negative
5.
5 times
B
negative
squared. B squared. B is -5.
That says -6.
No, it says B squared.
On the outside.
In the front.
That's a B.
Okay. Alright.
That is a B.
That's B.
That says equation.
Oh. That's not B squared out there. That's what she's saying, 25. I was looking at the 25 on the square. Out front, it's the opposite of B, right? So that.
So it's just 5. Drop 2.
Good point. Huh? That's right, because we get.
So is it just gonna be
Yes, one of the
positive
other.
5?
It's going to be +5 out there, Jay. There you go. Because it's the opposite of B, right? Alright, so what's that tell you right there, Jay? -1 square root. What's it tell you? Those two, there are no solutions there, okay? Those are no solutions. Now check that out. That's all right. That's the value of that discriminant. All right, if you go ahead and check it first, right off the bat, B squared minus 4AC, and you find a negative number, you know no real solutions are coming from that quadratic equation.
What's the thing?
The discriminant, B squared minus 4AC, is the part that goes under the square root in the quadratic formula.
We're still taking this.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
You sure are. most all of these problems that I pulled off this test are problems that I have worked, or we have worked in class from your homework, from all of the sections. If you go to that website and you go back to the class notes, at the end of the notes, you'll see all of those problems that we worked in class. And most of these problems are coming from those. Now you have to go back to first and third block notes if you look through them, okay? But if you want to see other examples, other problems to try, to study, to practice, which I advise, okay? Watching it one time, it'll be hard to get to know exactly what to do. I used to go through the book when I was taking tests like this when I was your age, and I would work problem after problem after problem until I knew I could get it right every time. Had lots of fun doing it. Alright, so what are your solutions, Jake? Circle them for me. That's the solutions. Okay? That's the solutions. And the other ones are not solutions.